Hi, my name is Frédéric Jutra. I'm presently in social science. I've been in this program for about 4 years. I'm late in my program because I took a year off 2 years ago. I had lack of motivation, so I decided to go away and work somewhere beautiful. So I went to Banff in Alberta. My program is focused on environmental and social problems, but covers a lot of other stakes. My biggest challenge ever since I took a year off school is to get back the grades that I neglected in the past with a purpose to attend a law degree. Let me introduce you to this magical website. It allows you to correct the text that you want to write in English, and there is a big variety of correction possibilities. You can check up the grammar and the spelling and the vocabulary of your text. There's a lot of tools at your disposition, such as a dictionary, an essay outliner, and even some games. This website is a huge difference maker for me, because if I succeed my challenge and become a lawyer, I'll have to write some huge documents, which will sometimes have to be in English. I already know that I'll be using the grammar checker, because Lord knows there are a lot of grammatical differences between French and English. I like the fact that not only does it point out my errors, it proposes me a solution that shows me why I made an error.